Investocorp, your one-stop shop for investment.
Hi there, my name is Aryaman and I'm the founder of Investocorp. There are a number of entrepreneurs in this world who tend to seek an investment but can't do so because they can't associate with the appropriate investor for some reason, or they simply don't know whom to contact. And this, I've come up with this idea of Investocorp, an app in which the investors can unify with us. Our app will list investors, and entrepreneurs seeking investment can view the list and contact the investors directly. We expect 50,000 entrepreneurs by end of first year and an annual revenue of $170 million as per the statistics. Also, there are about 582 million entrepreneurs in the world seeking for an investment as per the figures. Let's talk about the business model. Our business model is quite simple. We will demand a commission of 5% on each successful deal. Minimum investment an entrepreneur can seek is $5,000. Also, we assure response by the investor within 1 week of project showcase on our app. Let's talk about the competitive advantage. Investocorp is a one-stop shop for seeking investment by entrepreneurs. We also assure connection with investors because of our top quality database. Thank you.